kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
I hope you can see me well. It's been a busy day but a productive one. Today I've been sewing, so the whole of this week I'm going to be sewing until I think up to Saturday, and Sunday, I think up to Friday, I'll be updating you. I want to go to Tanilo Para, but I think I haven't gotten time right yet. But anyway, today I've been making this. Yeah, I made some other things, but this was the highlight of the day in today's sewing. And guess what? I'm going to tell you the good news after showing you this. So this is how it looks like. These are the results. I just want to show you the highlights, and then I want to show you the best things that inspired me and that really made me happy after I made the results. Now the sleeves came out so perfectly. Now for those all of you who don't know, I'll come and I think I'll make a video after doing a photo shoot. I'm doing a new collection, and it's about 2 pieces. I'm going to be doing them in such fabric or material, and I'm also going to be doing it in the other material that I showed you. I think I uploaded that video. You can watch it. And then such a material. Now this is called crepe, and this is in burnt orange. I'm going to be making this tomorrow. It is a 2-piece. Actually, this is going to be mine, but it's also going to be included in my collection, in the coming collection, actually the collection that I'm working on now. So guys, if you need attires, nice attires, perfect and unique, be here on this. So this is crepe. I went yesterday to town. Actually yesterday I went to town and I bought this material and bought other materials, and yeah, so this is the top. Like, it is really nice. It feels so good. And then yeah, it's kind of a crop. It's like a crop top thing. It's not so cropped, but yeah, it is looking like this. And then I wanted you to show, like, I wanted you to see the sleeve. This is how they look like. Yeah, this is how the sleeves look like, and I think they are really so perfect. They are really perfect. I love the finishing about the sleeves. I think I'm so good at them. I can't complain. It is one thing that disturbed me, one of the things that disturbed me when I just started sewing. But look at this now. It is perfect. So this is how the sleeves look like, and I just love it, love it. So when we come to the collar, I was getting a little bit of challenges, but finally we got a perfect collar. Now tomorrow, because today I'm really tired, tomorrow I have to go ahead and sew all these to be reeled down. But look at the neck, look at the finishing. Who does that? Shakie at Premium Glam. So this is how it looks like. And guess what, I also made the pant today. Let me show you. So about the pant, I'm almost done with it. I'm just going to go ahead and make some good finishing, something like this. We need something like this. Okay, so actually I'm done to some like some parts I'm done with the finishing, and some parts I'm not yet done. Now let's start with the what? Let's start with the how is it called? The waist. Now the waist looks like this, and I think it is perfect. We have these nice pockets. Actually, this is my first time to try such pockets, and for my first trial to be this perfect, guys, I can't really be more proud. Like, look at this. It really looks so nice, and I know you people love pockets, and I love pockets, so I couldn't do anything without pockets. So for that first collection, the design that I'm going for, the pockets are like this, and guess what, they're really
But I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
It looks good. Now the good thing is, before I even finish this, well, I posted this on my status after finishing the top part of it. I posted it and it looks so nice and everyone was inboxing. So I got like 3 people who wanted it and 1 person already took it. So how amazing is that? So I have to go back and buy this material because this material, everyone was like, hey, will it look good? But guys, so someone has already taken it before even finishing it, and how amazing is that for my second collection? My outfit, second outfit in my second collection is already taken, and I love that. Thank you God. So guys, I think that is going to be for today. I'm going to show you like a good picture of this, and I'm also going to be including them in my photo shoot, in the coming photo shoot, because I have to make others in 3 sizes: small, medium and large. So you all got covered. Thank you. So I'm wrapping out today because I'm tired. I'm very tired.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
This is a better spot to put it all. Just maybe in your phone, I should change to HR. So today is done. Actually, it's currently what? Actually, I'm in another day. I'm sorry about that candle. I didn't cut the thing before lighting it. Yeah, so I'm done with the day. I'm going to sleep, but I've not been in my bedroom the whole day, and I tried to edit, but I think I'm so tired. I'm very tired. So I'm just going to have a rest here. I want to watch Kamsi's latest video, Kamsinamani. So before I sleep, as I chill. So I'm done, and it has been a successful day. We've made an outfit in our collection and it is taken, and how amazing is that? So guys, thank you for watching and I love you. Bye. Good night. Hey loves, good morning. So welcome back here. So this is the 3rd day of sewing, a week in my life as a fashion designer. So today we're going to be making another outfit. Actually, I'm going to be making outfits that I'm going to be using on my coming trip. And then yeah, this is our outfit. How amazing is that? Look at that, guys. I was so in love with this. I really love it. Like, look at that. So this is already taken. The owner is coming for it tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, and it's done. Guys, come and support your girl. Make your orders. Yeah. So I'm gonna make you look nice. Okay. So yeah, so I'm going to be starting. I think I'm going to take some coffee. I'm going to make coffee, a cup of coffee, and then start sewing. Yeah, and actually I have a lot of things to draft. So see you in the vlog. Okay.